Okay, we've let our head, or our neck piece dry up, so we need to find our center so we can take it down. So that's our center mark. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we're going to sand all this down to that circle. We don't want to lose our mark on our center, so we'll punch a hole in here so we know where our center is, so when we drill a hole for our stick. So now I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander. We're going to sand this all down and get it nice and round. Then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.